we have left
Good
the
morning.
south rim of the Grand Canyon, and we are in a little town called Cameron. Hey everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are in Cameron, Arizona. This is part of the Navajo reservation, and it's just a little ways down the road from where we were staying for the south rim of the Grand Canyon. We stopped here because a friend of ours named Kris told us that we needed to stop here and have a Navajo Taco. They have the best Navajo tacos. So we're gonna go check this out and see what it's all about. We are on our way north from here, but we got to make this little stop and check out this oasis that we found here. It looks pretty cool. They have a hotel, they have an RV park, they have the trading post and a big restaurant. So a lot of tour buses coming in and out, so we'll see how that all works out. All right, so we have come inside. Big gift shop here, and the restaurant's in the back. Ninette's found some
Tea. Lover's leaf tea.
oh, tea.
I wonder what that's.
Ah.
Cedar. Green cedar.
That's to burn and get rid of all your old negative thoughts, negative friends, whatever. All right, this is the Navajo Nation, and face masks are required on the property. This is a pretty good sized trading post. All kinds of different things. And it's really unique things too. It's not just the same things that everybody else has. It's things that are handmade and with a lot of nice care. They just gone the extra mile and making things, pretty cool things. So just looking at these pictures here, you can see that the quality is just really above what you'd normally find a lot of other places, and so that's definitely, and unique pieces, so not things that you see everywhere else. So that's what's so fun about this little shop. That's why you could just spend hours and hours and hours just going through here. But hey, we gotta go eat. We are headed back to the restaurant to check out this Navajo Taco. See if they're even serving them, because we're kind of here early. It's 10:30, and dining over this way. So anyway, we're gonna check that out and see if we can get some. So we have walked into the restaurant, and we are being set at this table for two, and we have a really pretty view out this big window. It's a pretty interesting place. Ninette over there. Look, they got a bunch of different rugs that they've made, and if you look at the ceiling, wow, pretty intricate. All this in this little town. It's not much of a town, but this is a pretty good little restaurant, and it's a major tourist stop. Prices are a little touristy, but we're gonna see how this is. It's supposed to be really good. All right, man, we got our plate here. This is a warrior Navajo taco. It's got an egg on it. I got the egg side, she doesn't. We're splitting this. You can see how massive this is. Holy cow, that is a lot of food. So not bad at all. So we're gonna see how it tastes though. Oh my, I am full.
We just had a half.
So
wow.
We had what they called a warrior
surprise.
Warrior surprise, which is a Navajo bread.
It was a Navajo taco with an egg on top.
Yeah. So this is a picture of it. It's really good.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
But we shared that. It came out, it was like $14, which seems a bit pricey, but it is so massive. I mean, we both got to eat from it, and we're both stuffed. So anyway, so it's a pretty cool little place. Just everything around here. I mean, there's a lot to this place. So if you are on the route between Page, Arizona and Flagstaff, you're gonna go through this little spot that's called Cameron. Not a lot here, but this the trading post is well worth the
Very
stop.
nice.
You
Very
know,
nice. If you can't find
So-
something in there you don't want, then you're not looking hard enough.
yeah.
They got one of everything.
There's tons of stuff. Even in the restaurant, you know, all the things that are on the wall and things like that, they all have prices on it. So
Decorations in
they're
the
selling
restaurant
all
are
that stuff.
beautiful.
So you can find anything that you want for sure. And the restaurant's really good and the service was good. So
We
definitely well
recommend
worth
this.
definitely well worth the stop. So you definitely want to stop here. So anyway, with that said, we'll go ahead and end our video. So again, we're on our way up to Lake Powell, and then we'll be going out and doing some camping out there. So dry camping out on the beach. So anyway, we'll see how that all works out.
Maybe.
So stay tuned for that video. That'll be coming along too. So, but in the meantime, hopefully we'll see you down the road somewhere. And if we don't, then we'll just plan on seeing you on the next video. So take care.
Bye-bye.